Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long year, stolen many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure that piety washed his hand and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Stuck around in St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers at the station, breathed in vain. I rode a tank, held a general's rank when the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you, hope you'll guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I watched with glee while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedy? When after all, it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I laid traps for the troubadours who were killed before they reached Bombay. Pleased to meet you, hope you'll guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Pleased to meet you, hope you'll guess my name. What's confusing you is the nature of my game. Just as every cop is a criminal, all its innocents are saints. As head is tail, just call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet, have some courtesy, have some sympathy and some taste. You sure you will learn politics, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game.